today we are going to practice the song and the dance to Happy. Now, this is not a hard dance, so I think all of us will be fine. The first thing that we are going to learn is a clap. So it's first a step, you go down, clap. Step, go up, clap. Step, down, clap, up, clap.
Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy.
So the next part is a snap. But you go back and then you snap. I'm gonna go this way so we can see all this. So I clapped, and then I go back and snap.
Without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel.
Now this part is a little hard. It goes open, but this turns. So you're open, and then together you turn, open. So again it goes open,
Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof.
the last part to our video, Happy, the song, is a step, thumbs up, move together, and then step, wave, thumbs up, wave, wave, wave. So now, a little bit faster.
Here come bad news, talking this and that. Well, give me all you got.
You ready? So now we are going to put the whole song together. So are you ready?
Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Hey, go! Bring me down. Can't none bring me down. Your love is too high to bring me down.
Alright, so good job. Try your best with the dance and the song. And good luck.